Welcome back, writers. We have been reviewing the different things that we have worked on in writing all year long. So we have reviewed small moments, talking about first, next, and last. And then we worked on pattern books so that we heard that same pattern on each page. And this week we're going to go and review our poetry. And if you remember, poetry is something short that we write about just one thing. It's just describing one thing. So today I'm going to review with you a poem, and to show you that poems don't have to rhyme. We hear a lot of rhymes in poems, but poems don't have to rhyme. So, for instance, this one is called Birthdays. And so this goes like this. Birthdays are fun. You turn numbers. You get presents. You make friends. When's your birthday? And that was that one right there. So that doesn't rhyme. It was all about birthdays, and the writer just described what birthdays were like. And the writer was 5 years old, or even 6, but a kindergartner just like you. So today you can think of a topic that you want to write about, and sometimes just listening to different poems gives you ideas. And because I listened to that poem, I thought, I'm going to write about birthdays, and I wrote one. So I'll read you my poem that I wrote. Birthdays by Mrs. Bomay. I like birthdays. Time for family and presents and ice cream. I love birthdays. And then I'm going to draw about my birthday. I started drawing my table, but I didn't finish. So, boys and girls, today you can think about a topic. If you want to choose birthdays like me, you can start off with birthdays just to get us going back into our poetry writing. And then write about birthdays. How do birthdays make you feel? Tell me what happens on your birthday. What kind of things do you do? But just describe it. Did you notice I used an exclamation point because I said, I love birthdays. So a poem is just a short little writing about one topic, one thing, and you're describing it. You can describe how you feel, or the things that are there, or the things that you do. So go ahead and think about things that you do on your birthday, and then maybe tell it on your fingers so you remember, but then you can write that on these lines and then illustrate it, draw your picture at the bottom. So my poem said it was time for family and presents and ice cream, so I need to draw my family and some presents on the table and some ice cream. All right, boys and girls, have fun getting back into poetry writing, and we will see you tomorrow.